Welcome to the video to know how 2025 looks for you. In this video, we'll talk about what new things New Year brings in your life, what new opportunities and hopes you are going to get. Those hopes which was unfulfilled last time, but this time you get a chance to complete that. Those hopes which was unfulfilled last time. This time I'll get married. This time I'll go to foreign. This time I'll start business. Those hopes or desire which was unfulfilled last time, and in that our planet and astrology plays very important and significant role. So why not to get the idea about roadmap, to know what's supposed to be done, what challenges I'm going to face, so you will get the idea about how your career will be, your love life, your health, family, relationship, education and money. So you can plan your year better way and make your own strategy. So this video can become little longer, so you have to watch the video till end. But before that, if you are first time on my channel, then this is the auspicious time to subscribe my channel. In this video, we'll talk about all zodiac signs, how 2025 looks for them. Now we'll start with the Aries sign. For Aries native, 2025 will be mixed time period, which means that it will give good or bad results, both the things it will get. So this time it will teach you patience. You will see many phases of your life which transform you into different person or different personality, which will teach you many things. So this time you have to be little patient, and this year definitely will teach you patience. And it just because of after March your Sadesati is going to start because of the transiting Saturn into Pisces. So first impact you are going to see after April, May, June, where you will see the big change in your career, where you are going to change your job, profession, or you are going to start the business if you're already doing the job, or you are going to relocate your job, or else you are going to switch to other country or city. So it could be anything. So which means that you're going to see the big change in your life, and it mostly related to your work or work profession, and it is because of god of karma Saturn, which has a big influence in your sign. And Saturn gives us many lessons which teach us patience. Saturn loves people who are having patience. Saturn doesn't like people who are in hurry, who want everything quickly. So you should have the patience, or else you are going to see the consequences. You are going to see the struggle and delays in your work. So be calm, have patience and keep doing your work. And even though you are going to see all the things after April, and you know what, Saturn love those people who accept the change, who are ready to do whatever it takes. I'm ready to do that, and whatever it comes, we'll see that. If you have this kind of attitude, then Saturn will give the good results to you, and if you don't have, then Saturn will give the bad results to you, and you are going to struggle. And this kind of attitude you're going to see from May, June, July, where you will work like hell. You're going to do a lot of hard work, and most interesting thing, you're not going to realize that, but your subordinate or your colleagues going to see that you're working really hard, you're having focus, you're putting a lot of efforts. They're going to see that. And even though you already started seeing some glimpse, because Saturn is a very heavy planet and it will take some time to move, so it will give some hints for sure. At the starting of the year, for Aries people can get some health issue, especially stomach related issue you can face. And this time you are going to think a lot that whatever I'm into that situation, I don't want to get stuck here. I want to achieve something big in my life. I have to do something else. And then you will try to do something else, and you will try to work on that, and you are going to do a lot of hard work. So you can see the growth in your financial condition this year. At the end of the year you will be having good financial condition, but only you will suffer in your health. Just be careful about your health. And for the Aries sign, Mars will be sitting in your fourth house, and fourth house is for the mother. So your mother may get some health issue related to blood, especially BP, leg pain, some kind of health issue she is going to face. And your fourth house is also for the property. So this is good time period for you to invest in property or land. And those who are working into the job, so you will go through some argument and disagreement with your senior. It just happened because you want the change, but not your surrounding wanted the change. So here you have to change, but not you have to change your surrounding. So it might happen that your opinion is not going to match with your senior or your colleague, so you have to adjust little bit here. But remember that this time you are going to earn money, and Saturn is a money, so you are going to earn big money. So it could happen that you are going to get the promotion or increment, or you are going to switch your job, or if you're already doing job, then you will go for the business. So somewhere you will do something, so where you will get the extra profit and extra money you will earn this time. and you will see this mostly from June, July. And if you are working into the communication, photography, for those people this year will be very beneficial. And after August you might travel to religious places as well. This year you will get the good returns if your business into the education, IT or construction. On other hand, if you are a student, to get the good reward you have to do a lot of hard work, because Saturn is going to see if you work really hard entire year, then at the end of the year you are going to get the good results. But it's not going to be so easy for you. You will face many challenges: not willing to do study, procrastination, laziness or health issues, some other challenges you will face. But if you keep doing your hard work, if you keep doing study, then you will see the good results at the end of the year. And in this time period you have to do some kind of physical activity. It will help you to balance your energy and help you to be productive. And even though some of the Aries people will become more concerned about their health, they are going to hit the gym and they are going to eat healthy as well. On other hand, for love life, it's going to be exciting. Single will become mingle. If you are already in relationship, then your bond will increase and might get married as well. For married people, it will be good time period. So we can say that for Aries people, this year will be good for money and bad for the health. And if you feel things are not in your favor, then you can do the remedy which is on the screen. So comment what will be your new year resolution. And now this is all about the Aries sign, and we'll move forward and we'll talk about the Taurus sign. How will be the 2025 looks for you? 2025 for Taurus will be blessing for you. This year will give you good results as compared to other signs. 2025 for Taurus, it will be new beginning for you. You will start something new. Like you think like I have done enough job. It's time for me to start something of my own. There is a lot of uncertainty in my job and now it's time for me to be my own boss. So you will start for sure. After July, you might start something. But after September, your father might face some health issues or you will go through some breakups. Some kind of relationship issues you will face. So in this time period, don't take any risk. Just be calm and patient, not involved in any unnecessary arguments or fights. Keep doing your job. This is the only advice I can give you. On other hand, coming year 2025 will be good for the career. You will grow professionally. If you are already doing job, then will be get benefited from new connection. But be careful from your colleagues. Don't share your secrets and just have the professional relationship with them. And this time you have to learn how to say no, or else you will be overflow with the work. In business, you might go through challenges in April, May, June time period. Slowness can come or downfall can come because of your staff. But as a Taurus sign, it's an earth sign. They know how to bounce back and rise and shine. And because of downfall, you might get self-doubt. But here, you don't have to worry. Just you need to focus on how to improve your process and system. And if it's not properly aligned, then it's time for you now to plan it accordingly, or else you will face so many consequences in coming year. This is the time for you, just plan it properly. And after January, you will be willing to be technical. You wanted to learn new skill, new technology. So you will be learning AI or any programming skill, you will start learning. And you will be focusing more on studies. Your competitive nature will be increased. And this is actually good for you because it will help you to go ahead and shine. In your financial condition, you will see much more progress. You will think why to depend on one source of income. Let's create multiple source of income. And because of that, you will start putting your money in share market or freelancing. You will start doing online teaching, social media, which means that you will do something new, something interesting. And because of that, ultimately you will get the extra money and you will create extra source of income for yourself. But remember that from January to June, it will be good time period for you to make money. But after July or August, someone will come to you, ask for the money, or someone will say, I have one scheme, put your money, I'll make your money double. But you don't have to get into any kind of trap because you're watching my video. So just remember this one. So you don't have to invest your money in any kind of risky thing. So don't fall in this kind of scheme. Don't put your money, don't take any risk. Just be calm and keep doing your routine work. Then only you can see the good results. During June, July, September, you have to be little more careful. You don't have to take any risk. Just be calm and keep doing your routine work. Don't do any extra work. And for love life, this will be good time period for you. You will find your partner or your soulmate. And now what more things can happen? You might fight with your close ones, or you will go through some family problems. So you will be worried and get tense. And for married life, it will be good time period for you. And if you are already married, then you will plan for the baby. But before planning for the baby, just consult with the doctor and astrologer and check your horoscope, because I have seen some of the Taurus people facing some health issues after pregnancy, or they are having some kind of baby health problems. So just to make sure that you will have healthy pregnancy and healthy baby, so check your horoscope and consult with the doctor as well. So overall we can say that first half will be good, and in second half you will face some challenges. So it looks little scary. So have some backup plan. So once people have any backup or support, they will not fear or they will not get more tense. So it will be always good to have any kind of support. For Taurus people, I can just advise you, do Vishnu Sahasranam part and worship Lord Shiva. It will give the wonderful results to you. And just try to wear light color. It will balance your energy and will give the good results. And you can check the remedies which is on the screen. Now comment what will be your New Year resolution. Now we will move forward and we'll talk about our third zodiac sign, Gemini, how things looks for you in New Year 2025. For Gemini people, this year will be with full of opportunities. You will see the opportunities in health, career, relationship, finance. This year for the career, it will be roller coaster ride for you. You wanted to go somewhere, but you will reach somewhere. You expected something, but you will get fabulous things which is unexpected in your life. But be ready to get unexpected opportunities in your life and in your job or business. So you can see some unexpected thing, those you never thought, and you will think it just happened because of the coincidence, but it's not a coincidence. It just happened because of the blessing of Jupiter. And so many coincidence you are going to see in this year. So you may come across with so many coincidences, but you have to embrace that, and then it will give you good results. But during April to June, you will see you are doing so much of hard work, but you are not getting the expected results. But you don't have to get demotivated. You have to keep doing your work. And it just happened because of the debilitated Mars. And in this time period, you will see so many unexpected things and surprises can come. So you have to be ready to accept the change and embrace the coincidence. So any coincidence can happen, and that will be very beneficial for you. It will give definitely good results to you. For the business prospecting, if you want to do the business, you will get the success in June. And if you are already doing the business, then you might thinking of expanding your business. Many Gemini people thinking of utilizing social media for their product and service. You will try to create more presence and understanding about the marketing and making new marketing strategies for your business to promote your product. For students, it will be good time period for you. Your hard work will pays off and you will see the good results during April to July. And for the love life, it will be good time period for you. At the starting of the year, you might find your partner, but after May, you will get some dissatisfaction from your partner. On other hand, you will get many opportunities on your way, which looks very glamorous, very interesting from outside. But you have to be very picky and choosy, and you have to be very sharp over here. Then only you are able to identify whether it is good for me or whether it will impact very badly to me or not. But as I said, you have to be open for new things and embrace the coincidence. Then only you can see the good results. But during this time, you can do some mistakes. That is okay. But you have to keep accepting the change. Then only you can get the good results in your life. Or else it will be the same year, nothing special will happen in your life. And you will see most of your problem will get resolved till the December, and you will have the new problems in your life. After June, your financial condition will be improved. You will gain so much before the end of the year. For the family life, new year will be for long trips, traveling together and spending quality time with each other. For those of you who is above 50, just take care of your knees. You might face some bones related issue, so work on your diet and exercise. So in one line, for Gemini people, we can say that more of coincidence, just embrace that and find your take, and then you can shine. So I can just advise you, for Gemini people, worship Lord Ganesha and visit Ganesh temple this year. Then you can see the good results. And if you want to know what exactly you have to do for this year, you can see the remedies which is on the screen. Now comment what is your new year resolution for 2025. This is all about the 3 zodiac sign. Now we will stop here, or else this video will become very lengthy. Now remaining zodiac sign video will be uploaded in my channel. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be get notified. So we will meet in next segment. So till then, Hari Om.